What is up, everybody? Welcome back to AlltheMods6. Yuri. Last episode, we became an oil tycoon. Alright, so now we're gonna push that a little farther so we can get some more stuff done with the Allemodium Star. All the mods editions. I forget which area needs it. No, not Dimensional Seed. Lots of fuel. You need a bucket of napalm. So, we're going to build that. I could not get the oil thing to work. Built it over there, built it back here, built the ground underneath it. It just wouldn't work. So, that's back in there, and I have the oil coming through a quantum entangloper. So, I have it turned off for right now because the little tanks I had, they filled up so quick. So I made these dynamic tanks for mechanism. It's a multi-block structure. You need to have a solid bottom and a solid top. You can make the sides as tall as you want. You can put structural grass in there if you want to look at it. And just this alone holds 3.4 million mega buckets of gasoline. I have the diesel over here and the lubricant. But that's that. And now, yeah, if you see these doors are actually from the Twilight Forest. I finally got the mod to finish. I got everything to work to a point, and we will journey there and check it out in next episode, or maybe this one, depending how fast this goes. Alright, in here, I should have everything I need for the not the distillation tower. In the mixer. There it is. Vats of cookie dough. Yeah, okay. This is what we're gonna build. This is how we get our napalm mixture. So, let's see. Hopefully, it. Okay, I did not need that menu up. Oh well. Leave it for now. So, 3 and it's a 3x3. Oh, I hope that's the right stuff. Where did all my stuff go? Why? Why? A good way to test this. If I do this, it says I need 5 scaffolding. And okay. So this is the wrong scaffolding. Okay. Fine. One, two, three. 1, 2. Now, if I were to make the projector, there's a thing called a projector. It will place it like a 3D image, kind of like the Botania did and stuff. But, I'd rather do it this way. 3 fluid pipes, and then that in the middle. Okay. Next level. You get 3, 4, and 1. So, goes there. Good stuff. And a fence post with a thing on top. Fence post. Alright. An essential sheet block. Engineering hammer. Hammer. That's not my good one. There's the good one. Boom. Mixer. That's cool. Never gets old. Alright. Output only bottom fluid. Output all fluids. Output only bottom fluid. Okay. So we're going to need power. Okay, so I need a point. I gotta make so many points and just have them in storage. Alright, so we got power. Okay. Fluids are input into the mixture through the port on the bottom of its power supply. Okay, items can be input via the two hatches at the back. The fluid port at the front serves as a fluid output. So there's a fluid on the bottom. Okay, so that one? Or is there an actual... No, there's nothing down there. The fluid sends the mixture through the port at the bottom of its power supply. Items can be input to two hatches at the back. These the two hatches? I don't know. Trying to figure this out as we go also. I am not no expert. I just slaps everything together and hope you follow along. Don't need that right now. Okay, so let's just gasoline. Napalm is extremely flammable. So it can be using gasoline and 3 mixtures of aluminum grit. So gasoline is over here. I think I'm gonna need another valve. Yeah, definitely gonna need another valve. I'm out of steel. So coal and rich iron. Wow. I'm actually out of steel. Yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna keep these doors, but still pretty cool to look at. The animation is pretty cool. Alright, so you have nothing. Okay. So we're going to need some iron. Wow, I'm actually running out of iron. That is crazy. I'm gonna need some coal. Wrong machine. Now we're cooking. Throw you back up there. Oop. I can't believe I'm actually out of iron. While that's cooking, let us go get some iron. Iron, iron, iron. Give me... That should net me a good chunk of iron, because I think it's 2x or 3x doing this setup. Crushing it into clumps, enriching it, I should say, crushing it even more, or purifying, crushing it, enriching it, and then smelting it. Alright, so this is done. Put this back through. Let's say it makes steel the mechanism way. Iron and coal makes enrich iron. And then coal and enrich iron makes steel. Alright, do this. Now we're gonna put that in there. Cool. And it's gonna keep doing the iron right now. So once before I cut here, I've been working. I found these. It's a program called Extra Discs. So it just takes whatever refined storage offers, and it just keeps adding to it and adding to it, and eventually you can get an infinite storage disk. So instead of having all these hard drives, I have one, and it's not even infinite. This is only the 1.2 million one. I figured that was a good place to stop because the cost of it was getting insane. So I don't think I have to worry about storage for a very long time. But I'm slowly working on the materials, and in this chest I started actually assembling the AlltheMods star. It's gonna take a long time because this needs unobtainium and allthemodium alloy block, which comes from them, which is a lightning dragon, which I do not own. So we have to go out and search for an lightning dragon stage 4 and 5, because I can't trap it and duplicate it anymore because they considered it an exploit and they patched it out. You cannot capture a dragon with a mob improvement tool. You can capture it in a quantum entangler, but you can't do nothing with it. It's just a Pokeball in retrospect. But this needs gasoline. Oh yeah, I need it. Iron. That was right. Still not in there. Yeah, this is from Ars Navarro. Get mana. I haven't dove into that, but I needed it for something for the star. But this I set up. It's a harvester from Cyclic, and an item collector, just like over there. You see everything is pretty kosher. I can turn it on, and whatever's ready to harvest, it will harvest it. And the item collector will pick it up. Everything but the blueberries. Yep, everything but the blueberries. And then that sends it into the elder chest setup that goes into the storage bins. Just fly over and gather some stuff quick. I'm probably not making my steel yet. Nope. Because all that iron. There we go. Now we're cooking. Basic 17. That might be enough. Yeah, this is some experiment. It's asphalt concrete comes from the oil processing, but as you can see, I'm just walking, and it increases your run speed by 20%. I don't really notice, but I put it down just for experimental purposes. Back to the task at hand. It's so cool that it actually retains all of the fluids. It's really nice. Thought I poked a hole in it. Oh, it's right on our frame. Whoops. Just enough. Alright, let us do this. Now, is this... Alright. And aluminum? Aluminum grit? How do you make aluminum grit? I don't know why I'm running over here when I have this tools over here. Okay, it's not in there. Aluminum dust. Aluminum powder. Is that the same? Can I just throw the bar in there? Apparently not. Oh, okay. So just the aluminum ore plus the hammer. Okay. Might have a lag stutter there for some reason. What are you? Aluminum. Perfect. Actually, I could just do it right here. Alright. I love these shaders, but they destroy my frame rate. Oh, look at it go. That's cool. Definitely think I'm gonna have to make a giant silo of napalm. Yep, definitely napalm. Mm-hmm. That work. Aluminum scaffolding. What I needed, I just shoved in there. Trying to look like the oil logo aesthetic with the stuff up on stands. This is how you make a dynamic tank. You need to have the outside of the tank the actual tank itself. Can't put glass on the outside. And it should dip due to redstone sparkle. 2.3. We're gonna do, actually, should have them in here. Logistics. I do not have them in here. There we are in here. There we go. Ooh. Do this. Napalm. That's cool. Alright. We're going to make... Oh wow, look at that sucker go down. A little trip. Alright, first we're gonna get rid of 99% of this stuff. Do not need it. That goes in there. Back to the mining dimension. That'll work. I think I put the hammer back in the, I did. Factory hopper. Okay. So if I shove that in there, can I just spam click this? Oh, thank God. There we go. And then we're gonna do this. Good stuff. And that's gonna be a non-stop napalm factory. It's pretty damn cool if you ask me. Pretty damn cool. Diesel. I might have to just start dumping this stuff into a waste bin. I don't want to, but I might have to. Because it's gonna jam up the silo if I don't. Ah, okay, okay. I see what's going on here. So if I load this up, is it going to do it all at once? It is. That's all. That's going to be a lot of napalm. Nice. Well, we're going to need our bucket. A bucket. And we got ourselves a bucket of napalm. We're going to shove that over here. And it's one little step done. And that. Let's forgas it. We'll get to that. Never even touched that mod ever. Oh, blood magic. Great. Great. I think I have coke over there in that machine. But that's going to be it. Oh, I'm a shadow guy now. That's going to be it for this episode. A little bit of a short one. I just wanted to get napalm rolling. I'm trying to get back on schedule to have regular releases like I did, but we'll see. More people view, more people like, comment, and subscribe, the more videos I put out. But until that time, I will catch you all on the next one. Later.